Welcome to our first lesson in journeys. The last 2 weeks were just a lesson on how we go back to school and even start school. So this week, one of our I can targets is we are going to try really hard to recognize rhyming words. So listen carefully and tell me which words rhyme. Run, bun, cap. Which words rhyme? Run and bun rhyme because they sound the same at the end. Listen carefully. You're finding the two rhyming words. One does not rhyme. Fan, sit, can. Which two words rhyme? Did you say fan and can? Kiss your brain. Next one. Pig, sock, rock. Which two words rhyme? Sock and rock. Let's try one more of these. Now it's your turn. What word rhymes with jet? Did you say pet, vet, or get? Or maybe you thought of a different one that I did not think of. We have our first sight word. Our new word that we'll practice this week is the sight word I. Say the word with me. I. Spell the word. That means we name the letters. Capital I. Use the word I and tell me something that you like to do. Like, I like to ride a bike. I like to ski. I really don't like to ski, but you could. So that was our sight word. These are words where we have to know them. When we look at them, we know them because these words appear a lot in our reading. Our letter today is the letter D. Do you remember from class meeting what sound the letter D makes? If you said D, you're right. Not duh. We don't add the schwa or the sound. We just say D. Can you say D 3 times with me? D, D, D. Not duh, D. You see D at the beginning of these words. Duck, dig, and dance. Are you ready to do a frog jump capital? Put your finger in the air. Big line down. Frog jump to the top. Curve. This is our first curve letter. Let's try it one more time. Finger in the air. Big line down. Frog jump to the top. Curve. You will be practicing that later when you do one of your assignments today. Good job listening. Now get started on some rhyming words because one of our learning targets today is I can rhyme.